Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Binance Web3 wallet. So first, you just have to understand the MPC deletion. So the Binance Web3 wallet uses multi-party computation, which is the MPC. So this means that there is no single seed phrase. So the private key is split into shares. So just a warning, you cannot permanently destroy the wallet's address. You can only make it inaccessible after withdrawing funds. Now next is to access the Web3 wallet. So in the Binance application, just navigate to the Wallets tab at the bottom and then switch to Web3 tab on the top. So this is the starting point for all the fund transfers and settings changes. Next is to withdraw all assets. So this is very mandatory. This is just mandatory. So tap on each asset and use the transfer or send function to move everything back to the Binance spot. So you must have zero balance to proceed safely. So a danger, funds left in the wallet before deletion or removal can be lost. So you have to move everything to your spot wallet. Next is to find wallet management. So go back to the empty Web3 wallet view and tap on the settings icon, which is the gear icon in the top right corner, then select wallet management or security recovery. And lastly is to remove the wallet instance. So here you will see this. So you'll be asked to remove Web3 wallet from this device. So you just have to confirm and remove wallet. So inside the management section, find and tap the remove Web3 wallet or similar option and complete the final security check, which is the 2FA or the password. So this action removes the wallet from your view, completing the deletion process. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!